Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by setting up your evoker for preservation. Choose the preservation specialization and equip your preferred main weapon. Next, allocate early ability points into preservation talents to unlock core heals and survivability. Once done, arrange your action bar with the principal healing spells, a mobility option, and one defensive cooldown so you can react instantly. Make sure to verify key bindings for quick cast and monitor mana cost values as you prepare to step into active healing scenarios. Begin the engagement by applying range sustain heals and layered shielding. Prioritize instant heals for sudden spikes and channeled heals when damage is steady. Rotate through AoE group heals when multiple allies are hurt, and weave single target bursts to keep tanks alive. Manage mana deliberately. Use cooldowns and cost reduction abilities when available, and pace large heals to prevent running out. Also, maintain proper positioning. Stay at safe range and keep clear line of sight so your spells don't miss or get interrupted during moments of heavy damage. As the fight winds down, execute your big single target or group cooldowns to stabilize final damage bursts, then transition back to sustained heals until the encounter ends. After the fight, recover mana using regen items or abilities before the next pull and tidy up any talent or gear mismatches. If things went wrong, diagnose quickly. Check whether you used spells in the correct priority, whether your cooldowns were mistimed, or whether poor positioning caused avoidable damage. Fix those and run the sequence again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.